I'm going to show you how to add additional team members to your Clipmagix account. So the benefit of this is if you have a business partner or a virtual assistant or outsourcers or whatever, and you want them to be able to create Clipmagix for you and post them to your social media accounts, you can add that person as a team member. So the way that works is you're going to go to settings and you're going to go to my team. Now, there are a couple of things that are important to note. First off, you have the main admin account. So only you can add and remove people that you've invited to your team from your main login. But the benefit of creating team members is they can log directly into your account, but without any ability to need your specific password and your username. Okay, so you still maintain control, but they're logging into the same interface. They're seeing the same social media accounts connected, and they can manage that account for you. So it is important to know that when you add team members, they don't each get their own separate account. They're logging into your main master account, and they're able to run that account for you. All right, and so how it works is you just click on the invite button or link. Now again, what's important here is this is an upgraded feature. So depending on your member level, you may or may not have access, or you may be limited in the number of people you can invite to add to your team. But you're just going to put in the email address of the person you want to invite, and then you're going to click save. It's going to give you this big long link. Okay, so you're going to copy this, starting with the HTTPS all the way to the end of the number, right click, copy, and you're going to give them that link. And you make sure that they use the same email address that you invited them with to sign up. Okay, so that's how this is going to work. Now, this is really important. If you want to set up their account for them, that's fine. But if you try to do it in the same browser where you just created this link, you're already logged in. So it isn't going to work. All right, you have to go to a different browser if you're going to actually set up your outsourcer's account instead of giving them this link. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, so I am in a different browser now, and you can see that I'm not logged in. So what I'm going to do is just Control V and paste that link, that invite link, right into my browser. And then it just says complete the registration. So I just create a password, and I repeat the password, and I submit it. Now when I do that, what's going to happen is it's going to log me in automatically to that account. You can notice that the account name and the profiles that I created are still there. But now I'm logged in as an admin instead, or as a team member. So I will go back to the other browser, and you can see how this looks from the other side. So now that we're back here, if I go back in here and I go to my team, you'll notice now instead of there being an entry blank with like a pending, the name is listed here with the email, okay? Because the person has signed up, completed their sign up. And so I can block them at any time if I want or remove them. But this way, what I've done is I've created that account for them by doing it in a different browser, and then I would just be able to pass along the email login and the password, and they would be able to log into my account and manage my account. And that is how team members work in Clipmagix.